Recording experiment number 7 of Technology Lab. This experiment is about creating a multi-page shopping cart in PHP using super global variables. Here we are supposed to store pages form field values and use it across sessions. So we use a get and post method to do this, to get information from the HTML tags and then store it in super global variable $_ session. So that we can use it across pages or sessions. Let's see the mockup page. This is the mockup page. You have a simple header, 2 images. There are 2 input fields embedded on the images, and there's a radio button for clothing item, text field for quantity, 2 drop downs, one for size and one for color, then a submit button. Now once you click next, you want to be redirected to the second page. So let's first see the first page, and this is my website, and as you can, there is a header and there are 4 images, and this is the form. So 2 images are actually form fields. I have a radio button embedded in this and this one to know the product is for men or women. Now once this is ended, you have to go you have to enter the rest of the form field. And if you look at the mockup page, you can see those are the image type is shirt type is required, the clothing item is required, all the form fields in this page are required. So if you try to go to the next page without entering anything, the Chrome will display a message like please select one of the options. So I'm just selecting one option, caches, select one, like 2, medium, blue. Once all the information has been entered, you click the submit button. Now you are taken to the next page. So this is another form where you're supposed to enter the shipping details. So you can see the first name, last name, street address. All of these are required except the all of these are required. Now see how you do it in HTML. So this is the second page. So in the second page, first you have the header, then the form starts. So this is the form. So I put the forms inside tables. Now there is a text field for first name, last name, street address, address line 2, city, and for the state you have a drop down menu and you have 5 states available on it. Now there is one to put the zip code, then one to put the phone number, the email, the shipping mode, etc. Now this is the result you get. So I put them inside a table so they have the equal distance, width and all. Now once you click the submit button, you'll be redirected to the next page. But before that, since they are required, as you can see, you are supposed to enter information. So I'm just entering some information. 6, 4, once you are done with the session, you go to the next page. This is the third page of your website. Here you're supposed to display the information which you are collected from the first to the second page, and also in a table you're supposed to compute the total from the shipping cost and the product cost, and let's see, and you're supposed to confirm it. So let's see how you accomplish this across sessions. In the first page itself, you can see the first part. I have written a function called session start. Here a new session started. The same thing is done on every single page, all the 3 pages. You can see here we are starting a new session in every page, and in each page when you cross the session, here you see the session underscore $_ session global variable. I took the values from the HTML tags using the post method. I have mentioned the method in the forms as if you look here, this post, so I have to use a post method here, and I stored them inside super global variables I created. So the information which was entered on the first page was collected on the second page when the submit button was clicked, and the information that is collected on the second form field, second form, that is on the shipping information, is collected on the third confirmation page. See, again you're using the super global variable. Now once you get all the information, you just simply display it using the PHP tag. As you can see, the PHP tag is embedded in the HTML tags, so that the information from the back and the uh, data stored across sessions can be displayed in the third page. And computation is also performed in PHP. The computation to find out the total cost, ship cost, and the product cost. Once you find that, you just simply display it. You can see here, we use the echo method to display them. Now uh, as a result, we get this page. Once you press confirm, the experiment is done. That is all. Thank you.